Welcome back to Decaholic, where beautiful homes are created with creativity instead of expensive budgets. Today's makeover proves that elegant vintage interiors are not reserved for luxury houses or professional designers. With thoughtful planning, second-hand treasures, and a few affordable decorating tricks, anyone can transform an ordinary space into a warm, sophisticated home filled with timeless charm. Stay until the end as we reveal simple ideas that are easy to recreate in your own home. Every memorable makeover begins with a fresh perspective. Instead of focusing on outdated furniture or worn accessories, start by recognizing the hidden beauty in pieces you already own. Vintage decorating is about appreciating character, craftsmanship, and history. Small scratches, aged wood, and faded finishes often become the details that make a room feel authentic rather than imperfect. Learning to see possibilities instead of flaws is the first step toward creating a home with personality. Before bringing in decorative pieces, establish a calming color palette that allows vintage elements to shine. Soft whites, warm cream, muted beige, dusty taupe, gentle sage green, and subtle gray create the perfect backdrop for antique-inspired interiors. These neutral shades make rooms feel larger while highlighting the textures of natural wood, linen fabrics, woven baskets, and vintage accessories. A balanced palette also creates a timeless atmosphere that never feels trendy or overwhelming. One of the greatest secrets behind budget-friendly decorating is shopping secondhand. Flea markets, thrift stores, antique fairs, estate sales, and online marketplaces are filled with unique items waiting for a second life. Vintage mirrors, ceramic pitchers, wooden stools, brass candlesticks, picture frames, and old books often cost very little but instantly add character. Instead of buying complete matching collections, combine carefully selected pieces that complement each other while telling a unique story. You don't need brand new furniture to achieve an elegant home. A simple wooden cabinet can become a stunning focal point after light sanding, fresh paint, or new hardware. Old dining chairs can look luxurious with updated upholstery, while weathered coffee tables gain charm with natural wood finishes. Restoring existing furniture not only saves money but also creates one-of-a-kind pieces that cannot be found in modern furniture stores, giving your home a truly personal identity. Beautiful vintage interiors never feel empty or over-decorated because every object is layered with intention. Combine framed artwork with antique books, ceramic vases, woven baskets, and fresh greenery to create balanced arrangements. Mix different materials such as wood, glass, linen, metal, and stone to add depth and visual interest. Rather than filling every surface, leave enough breathing space so each decorative piece has room to stand out naturally. A successful vintage makeover doesn't require living entirely in the past. The most inviting homes blend classic elegance with modern convenience. Pair antique furniture with comfortable seating, modern textiles, and practical storage solutions. Add contemporary artwork beside vintage frames or combine classic wooden tables with clean-lined sofas. This thoughtful balance keeps the space functional for everyday living while preserving the warmth and romance that vintage decorating naturally provides. Often, the smallest decorating choices create the biggest transformation. Replace ordinary cabinet knobs with antique-style hardware, display fresh flowers in vintage pictures, fold linen throws over chairs, or arrange old books beneath decorative candles. Add woven trays, handcrafted pottery, embroidered cushions, and textured fabrics to enrich every corner. These inexpensive finishing touches work together to create an elegant atmosphere that feels carefully collected over many years instead of purchased all at once. The living room is often the heart of the home, making it the perfect place to showcase your vintage style. Arrange furniture to encourage conversation rather than simply filling the space. Layer soft cushions, knitted throws, and textured rugs to make the room feel welcoming. Incorporate vintage coffee tables, side cabinets, or small accent chairs to add timeless charm. The goal is to create a room that feels collected over time, where every item has a purpose and contributes to a relaxed, elegant atmosphere. Shelves offer an opportunity to display personality without spending much money. Instead of overcrowding every shelf, create balanced groupings using books, ceramic vases, framed family photos, small sculptures, and vintage collectibles. Vary the height, shape, and texture of each item to maintain visual interest. Leave some empty space between decorations to prevent the arrangement from feeling cluttered. This thoughtful styling technique makes even inexpensive objects appear curated and sophisticated, giving your home a polished designer look. Nature has always complemented vintage interiors beautifully. Wooden bowls, woven baskets, dried flowers, fresh greenery, stone accessories, and linen textiles introduce warmth that balances antique furnishings. Houseplants soften hard surfaces while bringing freshness into every room. Even a simple vase filled with seasonal branches or wildflowers can become a striking centerpiece. Combining vintage pieces with natural materials creates an interior that feels peaceful, organic, and welcoming throughout every season of the year. One of the secrets to an elegant home is maintaining visual harmony from room to room. Repeat similar colors, textures, and materials throughout your home while allowing each space to have its own personality. A vintage mirror in the hallway, an antique clock in the kitchen, or classic artwork in the bedroom creates continuity without making every room identical. Consistency helps your home feel thoughtfully designed, making even modest spaces appear larger, calmer, and more refined. Creating a beautiful vintage home is not about filling every corner with old objects. Buying too many decorations at once often leads to clutter rather than character. Avoid choosing furniture solely because it is inexpensive if it doesn't match your overall vision. Instead, decorate slowly and intentionally, selecting pieces that truly fit your style. Patience allows your home to evolve naturally, resulting in a space that feels authentic, balanced, and timeless rather than crowded or overly themed. The most memorable homes are those filled with meaningful pieces rather than expensive brands. Family heirlooms, travel souvenirs, handmade crafts, and carefully restored thrift finds all contribute to a deeply personal interior. Every vintage item carries a sense of history that cannot be replicated by mass-produced furniture. As you decorate over time, your home becomes a reflection of your experiences, memories, and creativity, making it far more valuable than any showroom display. Lighting is the finishing touch that brings every vintage element to life. Soft, warm lighting enhances the texture of aged wood, antique metals, woven fabrics, and delicate ceramics, creating a cozy atmosphere throughout the home. Table lamps with fabric shades, wall sconces, vintage-inspired pendants, and carefully placed candles provide gentle illumination that feels inviting instead of harsh. During the day, maximize natural light with sheer curtains to showcase every decorative detail while maintaining a bright and airy environment. Built with creativity, not big budgets. As you've seen throughout this makeover, creating an elegant vintage home doesn't require unlimited spending. It simply requires imagination, patience, and a willingness to see beauty in unexpected places. By combining affordable second-hand finds, timeless color palettes, restored furniture, meaningful accessories, and thoughtful styling, anyone can create a home that feels warm, sophisticated, and uniquely personal. Thank you for watching Decoholic. If these ideas inspired your next decorating project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite vintage decorating tip in the comments. We look forward to helping you transform more beautiful spaces in the next video.